Hello everyone and welcome back to CBSE Tecktalks. In today's video we are going to do Innings 7.1 of chapter Fractions, class 5th Mathematics. The first question is, what fraction is shown on each of these number lines? So when we talk about a part, we have to count how many portions are there, or how many parts number line 0 to 1 is divided into. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 are all together. So the total number of portions is always written as denominator, and how many are colored? 1, 2 and 3. So this is 3 by 5. So out of 5 portions, 3 portions are colored. Now let's see the B part. In this case, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Altogether there are 12 parts of a number from 0 to 1 on the number line, and 8 are colored. So once again count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So answer is 8 by 12. Let's do the third part, that is C part. Now in this case it is having two numbers, like we will be counting all together: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 parts all together, and how many are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 are colored out of 5. So it will be 9 by 5. It means 1 is complete and then 4 are extra, but we have to write this way only. The last one is, how many parts are there between 0 to 1? So 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 parts, so 3 will be in the denominator. And how many are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer will be 9 upon 3. I hope it's clear. So how to write 9 upon 5 and 9 upon 3 into the proper fraction, or you can say mixed fraction, we will be covering in the coming innings. Let's do the second question. Draw a number line and represent the given fraction on it. So we have to draw a number line. So when we draw a number line, we start number from 0. I would like you to draw with the pencil and scale and let it be 1. So when we have 9 parts, so we have to cut this line from 0 to 1 into 8 parts. The moment you will cut into 8 parts, it will have 9 options there. So 1, you can go any way. So I'm going this way. So let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 parts. In this way I go. Let's count again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And out of 9, 5 are need to be colored. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So till here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So till here we have to color the way the first question is there. So you can draw this line and you can color with any of the color. Let me change the color of the pen so that we can go with this thing. So this is the portion you will be drawing on the number line. So please use with the pencil and scale so that it will be properly drawn, and all the lines or all these will be straight. I hope it is clear. Let's do the next part. Now in the next part we had 10 upon 7. So again we will be drawing a line and we have to mark from 0 to 1, and this time we have to make 10 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The moment you will make 9, it will be having 10 parts. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To make you understand, let's take an example. You have a stick and you have to make 2 parts of the stick. So you will break from one place. So the number of parts are always more than the number of portions done. So 10 means we have to go for 9. So how many are as a numerator? 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So till here you can draw proper line, straight lines. You can draw here the straight line, and then you can color it. You can use any color pen. You can use any, but you have to draw with the pencil. This way you may not get marks. Teacher may cut marks in the exam if it is not drawn properly. So be careful while drawing. Let's go to the next part. 14 upon 5. So there are 5 parts, but there are 14 we are using. So it means if we go with from in one we have 5 parts. So 0, 1, 2. This time if you see we have to go till 3. The reason I will tell. So 5 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 parts are done. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 parts are done. This is 1, this is 2. This is 2, this is 2. You can again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 14 are there. So we have 5 in each, but we have to go like if you see the previous one we have here second number was also covered, here third number was also covered, same way we are covering here. So 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you have to, this portion will be covered, or will be, you need to color this much portion. So you can color any, you can use all with the same color, and you may go with the different colors also. I hope this is clear. Okay, so you have to write this way. Now the last part of the question is 3 upon 12. So in this case, if we go with, we will be going with 3 parts and 12. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Why I am going to 4? If you see here, if you divide 12 by 3, it is going completely. So 3 parts, 1, 2, this is 3, 1, 2, it is also 3, 1, 2, it is also 3, 1, 2, it is also 3. So we will be counting 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this complete number line, it is having 4 numbers. It means it is this much, it has to be colored. And you can choose any color and you can go with the color. So I hope this number line is clear, how to go with the number line and how you have to write the number line into the fraction form. I think it's clear to everyone. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe and like the video. Keep programming, keep doing problems. We'll meet in the next video with the Innings 7.2. Till then, keep practicing.